Happy travelers. Today is the last day of our little short mini desert road trip. We're in Las Vegas right now and we are heading home from here.
You may think that the drive from Vegas to LA is boring, but there's actually quite a bit of things to do on the way, and we're going to be highlighting some of those quirky roadside attractions that you can see.
Are you ready to go?
Let's get on the road.
Let's do it.
About halfway from Las Vegas to the California border, we have come to our first stop, which is Seven Magic Mountains.
So Seven Magic Mountains are big stacks of brightly painted boulders that are over 30 feet high. It's pretty cool to see out in the desert, actually. It's kind of just in the middle of nowhere. And it's an art installation, actually, that was put out here in 2016 by a Swiss artist. And it was only originally supposed to be out here for 2 years, but they decided to extend it. And here we are in 2020 and it's still here. So who knows how much longer it'll be here. So if you're near Las Vegas, you should come and check it out before they take it down. Today we're here in the late morning and there were quite a few people around, which is unfortunate. When we were here a couple years ago, we got here at like 8 a.m. or something, and there were maybe 2 other people. So definitely try to come early if you want to come and get photos, Instagram pictures, whatever.
Yeah, it's a great spot for Instagram photos and just kind of a weird spot out in the middle of the desert.
It's pretty cool to see and it's easy to get to from the freeway, so you don't have to go very far out of your way at all. Definitely recommend. Our next stop is Baker, California, which is just off the 15 freeway, and there are a couple quirky places to see here. First of which we've stopped at is the world's largest thermometer. Are you so excited for this thermometer or what? I think it's the highlight of the trip.
I'm jazzed.
There's not really much here except a little like gift shop and convenience store, but I think that's closed. Lots of birds though.
Let's go get some alien jerky. So whether you're coming from Vegas or from Los Angeles, in both directions you'll see tons of billboards for alien beef jerky. So we've stopped here in Baker at the alien beef jerky store, and it is just decked out in every type of alien theme that you could imagine.
I love a good themed place. Themed restaurants, themed parks, themed parties. Your girl loves them.
I haven't actually had the jerky from here, but from everything I've heard from people, it's pretty good. So maybe we'll get it this time.
You know, they say this beef jerky is out of this world. Well, that place was weird. We didn't buy any jerky because neither of us really like jerky all that much. But when there's aliens, you gotta go check it out, right? I always feel like I should buy something when I go into a place. So I bought a water and it was $5. So it's a little expensive. I was like, oh shoot, guess I should have bought jerky. It wasn't that much more expensive. There's also supposed to eventually be a UFO themed hotel here. I think they've slowly built it up over the last few years. It's not open or a thing yet, but check back from time to time. It may be open. So there's a Dairy Queen in Baker, and we don't have that many in Southern California, so Kevin had to stop and get a Blizzard, and we had to drive around the whole parking lot like twice to find a parking spot. He got his Blizzard. Was it worth it?
It was a long wait, but it was worth it.
Yeah, see it.
The next stop on our drive is Eddy World in the town of Yermo.
So a fairly new addition to the LA to Vegas drive is what's called Eddie World, which you'll see it from the freeway. It's got a gigantic pink cupcake and it's a gas station, and they claim to be the largest gas station in California. I don't know how to verify that. I'll just take their word for it, I guess. We figured with the cupcake and that claim, we should go inside and check it out. There's a lot of bags of nuts and things. I think they like make their own, like, everything. It all says Eddie's World. And there's a lot of stuffed unicorns. Well, that place was definitely different than I expected it to be. It was more of a like giant candy store than a gas station. I guess I expected it to be more like a truck stop, convenience store kind of place, but it was not. It was mostly Eddie World branded candies, nuts, jerkies, anything you could possibly want in there, I think.
If you want some okra chips, this is your place.
Ooh, road trip snacks. One exit down the road from Eddie's World gigantic candy shop gas station thing. There's Peggy Sues 50s Diner, which is world famous according to them. You'll see lots and lots of signs for it, so you will not miss it for sure. And they have some dinosaur sculptures, and it is very 50s inside. This will be Kevin's first time. It's a weird time, so we're not gonna have a meal here, but we thought we'd stop in and maybe have a slice of pie or something. Sounds like a plan. So let's go in and see all the craziness that is Peggy Sue's Diner. So indoor California dining still isn't a thing. So I got myself a vanilla malt and we're sitting outside. We don't get quite the same 50s ambiance, but there are ducks and turtles, so it's still a win.
And dinosaurs.
And dinosaurs.
That's the most important part to note. Okay, that's it for us today, guys. We are done with our drive.
We visited as many quirky roadside attractions as we possibly could. We did skip a few though, just for the interest of time. So if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. You guys are troopers. And I mean, that means you like us, so you might as well go hit that subscribe button, right? And hit the thumbs up and make sure you hit the bell notification so you never miss a video from us. We have some pretty cool stuff coming up. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is Kelly and Kevin. Peace out.
So we're gonna highlight today what it's like to fly during COVID. The next stop on our drive is Eddie World.
It's cool to see, and it's oh my god, I can't talk. In Yermo. Oh.
Yeah, if you're into fried okra chips, if you want some 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 fried okra chips, stop laughing, I'm trying to say this. If you want some fried okra chips.